pop of color, okay? A pop of color. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be doing one of our favorite type of videos, and I'm going to be unboxing a Louis Vuitton bag from their Spring in the City collection, and I'm so excited because like their whole collection is so freaking cute, like all the purples and the pinks, and it's just so girly. If you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys watch my luxury playlist. And if you guys have any questions or concerns or anything like that, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe of course. You have to be following me on Instagram and DM me. Pretty and so gorgeous. And yes, she is not the typical tie-dye looking bag. I don't know, because I like most of my bags to go with most of my items that I have or clothes, so maybe I'll test that out next time. But this one I really wanted to get because it's not just the nude and cream. On the side it has pink and there's nude again, and on the other side it's yellow. Oh my gosh, y'all cannot tell me this is not cute, because look at this. She's very cute. She's very mature and very cute and girly at the same time. It's not too much of a pop of color, but the only pops of colors that it has is on the side, and that is amazing. Okay, that is amazing. I love that. And now this is what the inside looks like. It does come with a tag too. As you can see in the inside, it's a nude color with a suede material, and it's so freaking soft. Like, oh my gosh, like I am in love with this bag. It's so girly. It's like the balance of like really girly and like mature. Not old lady mature, but like pop of color, okay? A pop of color. It has a zipper and it has two pockets on the zipper, one right here, one right here. And this is what it looks like from the inside of the zipper. And it does have gold hardware, and you guys know I love gold hardware, so this is another plus about this bag. And just like the typical OnTheGo PMs, they do not have a zipper. Oh my gosh, I didn't even tell you guys the full name of the bag. So this bag is the Louis Vuitton Empreinte or Imprint Monogram Spring in the City OnTheGo in rose beige. Now that I'm staring at the bag for a while now, it does give a hint of rose, but mainly it's like a beige color to it. It's like a beige with a tint of rose, and on the inside more of a nude. Let's just talk about the sides real quick. And on the first side, it is a light pink. It's more on the baby pink side with a nude cream monogram print to it, and on the other side it's a yellow color with the nude white monogram LV print. On the sides of the gold hardware, it does say Louis Vuitton imprinted. As you've seen, this bag does come with extra straps, but these straps do not come off because, like I said, it's just like the other OnTheGo bag, but just in the spring collection with the spring colors. This doesn't have any prints on it, which is fine because a lot of the prints are on here already, so I really do not mind that. On the bottom of this bag, it looks like this. It's just sewn in this way and sewn in the other way. And the stitching on here is very on point. I don't care how much I'm spending. I want to make sure that I get at least the best quality. I do kind of wish with this bag that it has an option where you can take these straps off, because if you do tuck these in, it can cause extra space in the bag, but it really depends on your preference. But then again, I don't mind because this bag is so cute. Like, just look at it though, like it's so and the like, ooh. Forgot to mention that there's an LV print right here, just says LV. And I think that's all the imprints that's on the hardware. Yeah, I think that is all for the hardware. Now for the tag that comes with it, it looks like this, and I'm so glad that they have this imprinted with pink, because if it was yellow I feel like it would have thrown it off a little, but the pink makes it so girly, like extra girly, like an extra touch of girliness. On the back it just says Louis Vuitton Paris in gold. I'm not sure if I want to attach this on here, but I think for the sake of this video, and this is an unboxing, modeling, and all of that video, I think I'm gonna just attach this on here because you guys may be interested, but for me, I don't know if I'll leave this on here, so I just decided to leave it like this for now. This is how the bag looks in full circle. I'm completely in love. Like lately I've been really in a girly mood instead of like a nude and basic color mood. I just really been into like color and pink and baby blue. This bag is definitely perfect for the summer and spring, and as you can see, you can put so much in it. I don't think it'll be necessary for me to show you guys what you can put in it because it's so spacious inside. And let me show you guys how it looks when you clip it, because it doesn't have any zippers. It's not that much space in between, but it still helps. So now I'm going to show you guys some mock shots of me modeling this bag for you guys. And keep in mind, I am 5 feet and I'm pretty petite, but I'm just going to show you guys how big the bag is and how it would look on me if you're my height. And you know, just try to help you guys out on how the sizing is and how big it is, because I know on camera it can look huge, but from far away, normal distance, it can look a different size. But we're just gonna see how the bag looks. Sorry if the camera angle is a little bit different. I just got done doing the mod shots for you guys, and I love this bag so much. I keep saying that, like, this bag though, I cannot wait to start wearing this. Let me know if you guys want a what's in my bag video with this bag, because I definitely will film that for you guys. Honestly, I wish with this collection, at least with the OnTheGo totes, I wish they would have feet on them, just like cute little gold feet. That's all, because I don't want this part touching the ground. Like, this part can get dirty so easily, so that's like one little negative thing about it. But besides that, like, just don't put your purse on the ground. Like, put your purse on a chair or table, or put something underneath your purse, like a paper towel, like something, because we don't got time for it to get all dirty. Hope you guys have an amazing night, morning, evening, wherever you are, and I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.